When a business owner or manager considers outsourcing their financial operations, services like Bookkeeper 360 often come up as a comprehensive solution. Unlike simply providing accounting software, Bookkeeper 360 offers a blend of technology and human expertise, providing dedicated bookkeepers, financial reporting, and even advisory services. This video can be incredibly appealing, but it naturally leads to a crucial question. How much does Bookkeeper 360 cost? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that Bookkeeper 360's pricing is structured to cater to businesses of different sizes and varying needs, meaning there isn't a single flat fee. Their model is based on a combination of factors, including the scope of services you require, your business's monthly expenses, and the frequency of bookkeeping services, monthly or weekly. This tiered approach allows businesses to select a plan that aligns with their specific financial complexity and budget. Let's delve into the typical pricing structure and services offered by Bookkeeper 360. Core bookkeeping services, the foundation. Bookkeeper 360's primary offering is, as the name suggests, bookkeeping services. This typically forms the base of their pricing plans. The cost for these core services is largely influenced by two main factors: your business's monthly expenses. This is a key determinant. As your business grows and your expenses increase, the complexity of your bookkeeping often increases, and so does the cost. Bookkeeper 360 categorizes businesses into tiers based on their average monthly expenses, e.g., up to $20,000, up to $35,000, up to $50,000, etc. Accounting method: cash versus accrual basis accounting is generally more complex than cash basis, as it involves tracking accounts receivable and payable and often requires more detailed reconciliations. Consequently, accrual basis bookkeeping typically incurs a higher monthly fee. Frequency of service: monthly versus weekly. Bookkeeper 360 offers both monthly and weekly bookkeeping services. Weekly services naturally provide more frequent updates and hands-on support, which comes at a higher price point. Starting price points, as of late 2024/early 2025 data, subject to change. Monthly bookkeeping, cash basis typically starts around $399 per month for businesses with lower monthly expenses, e.g., up to $20,000. Monthly bookkeeping, accrual basis often starts around $549 per month for businesses with lower monthly expenses. Weekly bookkeeping. These plans are more expensive, starting from around $549 per month, cash basis, or $749 per month, accrual basis, for businesses with lower monthly expenses, and increasing significantly with higher expense tiers. These core bookkeeping plans generally include a dedicated bookkeeper, monthly or weekly accounting updates, cash basis or accrual basis accounting, as chosen, monthly financial reports, profit and loss, balance sheet, account reconciliations, bank, credit card, loan, pay-as-you-go option, flexibility for projects and on-demand needs. For businesses that don't need ongoing monthly or weekly services, or perhaps need help with specific projects like catch-up bookkeeping or initial setup, Bookkeeper 360 offers a pay-as-you-go option. This typically starts with a lower monthly fee, e.g., $19 or $49 per month, plus an hourly rate for services, e.g., $125 or $150 per hour. Projects for catch-up bookkeeping or initial setup usually have a minimum starting cost, e.g., $1,000. This model is ideal for businesses that require on-call bookkeeping support, project-based work, or need to clean up historical records. Additional services: building a custom solution. Beyond core bookkeeping, Bookkeeper 360 provides a suite of add-on services that businesses can combine to create a more comprehensive financial solution. These are priced separately. Tax services, business tax preparation, starting around $800 per filing, e.g., for federal and state business tax returns. Individual tax preparation, around $300 or $350 per filing. Tax planning and advisory. This is typically a more involved service with variable pricing, often integrated into higher-tier bookkeeping or CFO plans. They also offer R&D tax credit services and sales tax filings, which might be priced per filing or as a monthly add-on. Payroll processing. Pricing is usually based on the number of employees, starting at around $45 to $200+ per month for a small number of employees, with costs increasing with more employees. This generally includes payroll processing, tax filings, and sometimes direct deposit. Setup fees for payroll systems like Gusto might also apply, e.g., $250+. Fractional CFO, Chief Financial Officer, services. This is a higher-tier advisory service, providing strategic financial guidance, forecasting, budgeting, cash flow management, and KPI dashboards. These plans are significantly more expensive, starting around $1,599 per month and increasing based on the scope and frequency of engagement. It includes a dedicated CFO and typically a financial planning and analysis, FP&A, analyst. Back-office services, accounts payable/receivable. Assistance with vendor payments, bill pay, and customer invoicing, AR. Often starts around $150 or $200 per month as an add-on. Bookkeeper 360 app access, without services. For businesses that use QuickBooks Online or Xero but don't need Bookkeeper 360's full bookkeeping services, they can subscribe to just their app, which provides dashboards and insights. This typically costs around $19 or $20 per month.